Hello learners, how are you all? Today again we will continue the same chapter, grammar chapter number 3, adjectives and degrees of comparison. Today our topic is making comparison, use of as. The comparison of equality is expressed by as form. Suman and Kanika are tall. Suman and Kanika are tall. Then we have to write Suman is as tall as Kanika. As tall as. Here we used is. Why? The change in verb in accordance with the subject. Are is changed into is. Use of not as, not so as. Okay. Raman is taller than Pia. Then we have to use Pia is not so tall as. So as form we are using, not so as form. Pia is not so tall as Raman. It is negative, with negative comparative form change to positive form. Taller change to tall. Pia is not as tall as Raman. Okay, for with negative sentences we comparative form change to positive. Pia is less taller than Raman. We can use less also. Pia is less taller than Raman. Question number 1. Tomatoes and onions are costly. Then what will be the answer? Tomatoes are as costly as onions. Okay. According to subject, change in verb in accordance with the subject. Here tomatoes. With tomatoes we have to use are. Okay. Ritu and Rima are short. Ritu is as short as Rima. John and Jay are good in maths. John is as good in maths as Jay. Tower 1 and Tower 2 are tall. Tower 1 is as tall as Tower 2. Apples and grapes are sweet. Then what will come? Apples are as sweet as grapes. Understand? Next question is rewrite the sentence using not as and then less. Okay. First one is platinum is costlier than gold. Okay. So you have to write gold is not as costly as platinum. Okay. You have to make sentence with less also. Okay. Like gold is less costlier than platinum. Okay. My uncle is taller than my father. My father is not as tall as my uncle. Third one, the mango is sweeter than the pineapple. Then what will come? The pineapple is not as sweet as the mango. With less we have to use the pineapple is less sweeter than mango. Okay. Iron is more useful than copper. Answer is copper is not as useful as iron. If you have to write it with less, then what you have to write? Copper is less more useful than iron. Silk is softer than cotton. Cotton is not as soft as silk. Now next question, use of least. Okay, comparison is also expressed with the word least in the superlative degree. That was the easiest exam I have ever written. That was the least difficult. Okay, least difficult. We have when you are using least, then you have to use opposite form. Easy opposite form is difficult. Difficult exam I have ever written. Okay. Similarly, see in question number P, rewrite the sentence using least without changing the meaning. To me, the Indian gooseberry is the sourest of all fruits. To me, the Indian gooseberry is the least. With least, you have to use opposite of sour, sweet. Sweet of all the fruits. This is the most useless of all my suitcases. Useless, its opposite is useful. This is the least useful of all my suitcases. He occupied the most comfortable. Comfortable opposite form uncomfortable. So he occupied the least uncomfortable position to watch the match. Okay, without changing the meaning. So when you are using least, so you have to use opposite form. Okay, change the following from superlative to comparative. Already given in superlative form, you have to change it into comparative degree. We know that with superlative form the is used, okay, and comparative form we have to remove the, and here we have to use comparative form, and after comparative then we have to use. Okay, then first one, Mukesh Ambani is the richest businessman in India. Then what you have to write? Mukesh Ambani is. First remove the, okay, Mukesh Ambani is richest. Comparative form, its rich comparative form is richer, richer than any other businessman in India. Understand? Second, he is the tallest of all the students in his class. He is. First remove the, okay, he is taller. With comparative form we have to use than. He is taller than all other students in his class. Asia is the largest continent in the world. Asia is, remove the, Asia is large, second form larger. Asia is larger than any other continent in the world. Mount Everest is the highest mountain in the world. Then Mount Everest is, remove the, Mount Everest is higher. After comparative form we have to use than any other mountain in the world. Dr. Jain is the most experienced of all the doctors in the hospital. Then Dr. Jain is, first remove the, Dr. Jain is most experienced. In place of most experienced you have to write more experienced than all other doctors in the hospital. Now what we have to use? Comparative to positive. Now already given in comparative form, you have to make them in positive form. First one, Shakespeare is greater than any other English playwright. Then what you have to use? You have to use not as form or as form. Okay, not as form or as form. Then first of all you have to, no other English playwright is as great as, okay, we are using as form, then as great as Shakespeare. Comparative change to positive form. Okay, greater positive, great positive form, and greater is the comparative form, we have to change greater to great. Jai is better than Fiza in English. Then first Fiza will come first. Fiza is not as good as Jai. Fiza is will come here. Okay, Fiza is not as good as Jai in English. The pen is mightier than the sword. The sword, first write the sword, singular, so here used is. The sword is not as mightier. Here positive form, sword is not as mighty as the pen, it will come at last. Okay, gold is more expensive than any other metal. Then no other metal is as expensive as gold. Okay, understand? Okay, next is comparative to superlative. Already given in comparative form. Okay, you have to make it superlative form. First example in your textbook. See in your textbook, Mumbai is bigger than any other city in India. Then answer is Mumbai is, with superlative form we have to use the. Okay, the biggest. Superlative form we have to use the before the verb. Mumbai is the biggest city. The biggest city in India. Jaya is more intelligent than any other girl in the class. Jaya is the superlative form most intelligent girl in the class. Now see question number S. Rewrite the following sentences using the superlative degree of comparison. First one, Bhumi is more hardworking than any other student in class. Then what you have to write? More hardworking, in place of more hardworking, most hardworking, and before superlative form we have to use the. Okay, first use the, then in place of more hardworking write most hardworking, the most hardworking, then remove then. Bhumi is the most hardworking student in the class. Okay. Second one, Joy is stronger than any other boy in his locality. Stronger, superlative form is strongest. With superlative form we have to use the. Joy is the strongest boy in his locality. She is more intelligent than any other girl in school. She is the most intelligent girl in school. Michael Jackson was more popular than any other singer in the world. Michael Jackson was more popular than most popular, and we have to use the. Michael Jackson was the most popular singer in the world. Sachin is better batsman than any of his team member. In place of better we have to use best. Sachin is the best batsman among his team member.